Let's show the world the power of American military and technology. Apollo 11, one giant leap for mankind. In the summer of 1969, the world held its breath. As Cold War tensions raged and technology was just beginning to reach for the stars, three men soared beyond Earth's grasp, toward a place no human had ever walked before. Apollo 11 was more than a space mission. It was a turning point in human history, a bold attempt by the United States to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth. On July 16, 1969, at 9:32 a.m. Eastern Time, the mighty Saturn V rocket launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Inside were astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The Saturn V, a 363-foot colossus, was the most powerful rocket ever built. It carried the command module, Columbia, and the lunar module, Eagle, names that would soon become legend. After 3 days and nearly 400,000 kilometers, the crew entered lunar orbit on July 19th. Collins remained in Columbia, while Armstrong and Aldrin descended in the Eagle toward an alien world.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
It was July 20th, 1969. Humanity had touched another world. At 10:56 p.m. EDT, Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. His words would echo forever. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Moments later, Buzz Aldrin joined him. They spent just over 2 hours on the surface, collecting rock samples, conducting scientific experiments, and planting the American flag. Back on Earth, an estimated 600 million people watched, united by a moment that transcended nations, politics, and borders. For the first time, we saw our planet from the moon, fragile, blue, and alone. On July 21, the astronauts lifted off the moon and rejoined Collins in lunar orbit. After another 3 days, they returned to Earth, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean on July 24, 1969. They were picked up by the USS Hornet and immediately quarantined, just in case life existed on the moon. Apollo 11 was not just a victory for the United States, it was a victory for all humankind. A testament to curiosity, courage, and the power of collective effort. In the vast silence of space, three men proved what's possible when we dream big. Apollo 11 didn't just change science, it changed the human story.